Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post videos related with apps just like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and many more other stuff. Like we also make video related with bank, and we also make videos related with many more other topic. This channel has a vast amount of niche, so if you want to get notified for more videos just like this, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Now let's move on to today's video, which is on the Instagram topic, which is on how you guys can clear or reset your Instagram search history. So basically, search history is similar to any other search history. Like in your Google search history, if you search something, then it's going to be stored on your history. So whenever you try to type that thing, it's going to be shown below. So let's say you search for something private or inappropriate and you don't want other people to see, then in that case you need to clear your search history. All right, because if you search for a lot of things, then deleting those individual things is going to be a hassle. I mean, you can delete individual things you searched for, but clearing all of it at once is the easy way. So I'm going to be showing you that trick in Instagram. So just like you can do it on your Google, where it's called clearing your search history in Google, you can also do that in Instagram. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, you click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. This is going to take you to the explore page of Instagram. Over here, you need to click on the search button at the top. Now, if you want to delete something individually, you can click on the cross icon right beside it. So let's say I want to just delete MFA. I can click on the cross right beside MFA, and MFA is deleted. But let's say I want to delete all of this. What I need to do is click on see all first. Now once I'm over here, there's this clear all button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then click on clear all to confirm it, and all of your history is cleared at once, just like this. Now nothing is being shown over here. So that's how you guys can do it all at once as well as individually. So hope you guys have understand how you guys can fix this problem of yours, and hope I was able to help you guys fix your problem. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.